And the rope, the lead is taken by Cassidir from the outside. It's Cassidir and Batang Arastre moving up on the inside. Amiga running in third, Modern Trick running in fourth, Nash. And on the outside is Rockaway. But it's still Cassidir leading the field by 3.5 lengths, followed by Batang Arastre in second, and Amiga closing in third, Modern Trick by the rail in fourth, Nash, and Rockaway up and deck to me. And rounding the far turn, it is still Cassidir leading the field by 4.5 lengths, followed by Batang Arastre and Amiga moving up now on the outside, Rockaway and Nash moving up. And at the last bend for home, it is still Cassidir leading the field. It's Cassidir by 3 lengths, followed by Batang Arastre and Amiga moving up on the farther outside. It is still Cassidir in the lead, followed by Amiga on the outside, Batang Arastre. And there's a spill. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Cassidir moving up on the outside, Batang Arastre, Rockaway, and Amiga on the farther outside. It is still entry number 7, Rockaway in the lead, followed by Cassidir. Number 2, Batang Arastre and Amiga.